Go for it.
My name is Brian Benjamin. I'm one of the founders of Young Professionals United for Change. Tonight we had an event here at Crest Lounge where we had about 200 plus people all come together to support the candidacies of some of our peers who are running for city council across the city. We had some from Harlem, some from Brooklyn, and one of the beautiful things that I think happened tonight was the individuals who came who probably weren't involved, or not paying attention to what was going on in terms of who was running for office, got to meet some of their peers, got inspired, and are getting involved. A number of the candidates came to me afterwards, the event before they left, saying that they are so happy that we did this, and they want to be a part of events we do in the future. And so if you are someone who cares about being a part of this movement of change, we would love for you to come next year. We're going to do this every year, and we're going to support our young professional peers who are running for office, because what they're doing is meaningful, and we want to be a part of that. So I'm so happy to be a part of this very successful event, and I hope to be able to do this next year, and we'll make it better and more effective for the candidates in the future.